Ever wonder why the market moves before any technical indicators catch up? Why some traders seem to know what's coming before the charts do? Here's the secret. Google Trends. When people get curious, panicked, or hyped about a coin, the first thing they do is search it. That surge in search traffic, it's a live feed of market sentiment, and it often comes before price moves. Let's break it down. Back in early 2021, Bitcoin's price exploded from $30,000 to over $60,000. But guess what surged first? Google's search volume for the word Bitcoin. It jumped more than 150%, and the price followed. That's not just coincidence. That's predictive behavior. We call this sentiment momentum. Tools like Google Trends reveal what people are thinking about before they put money into it. And by catching those spikes early, you can position yourself before the crowd piles in. Need another example? When Bonk, a meme coin, skyrocketed over 1,300%, we saw the signal days earlier. Search volume spiked well before the major exchanges started listing it or influencers started tweeting. Those search queries were the smoke before the fire. Here's how you can use it. Open Google Trends, search for your coin, say Solana or Pepe coin. Set the filter to past 7 days or past 90 days. Look for sharp upward spikes, especially in regions like the US, South Korea, or the Philippines, hotbeds for retail trading. If search volume surges before price, that's your signal. But don't stop there. Watch related search queries. Sometimes people won't type Ethereum directly. They might search, "Is Ethereum dead?" or "Best ETH wallets." Those trends hint at rising curiosity or fear. Both can drive movement. Even major news events echo in search data. When Trump's legal headlines broke, crypto tokens connected to MAGA narratives saw surging search activity, and massive price jumps followed. We've built our own tool, Momentum Radar, to automate all this. It scans Google Trends, Reddit, and Twitter to find fast-rising assets and scores them with momentum signals. But even without that, Google Trends alone is a free, powerful edge. Because here's the truth. The market isn't just numbers. It's people. People searching, reading, reacting. And Google is where they reveal their intent, before they act on it. So if you want to beat the charts, start by reading the search bar.